Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're fine. My name is Lovett, and in this channel I share about prophetic words that will help your life greatly. So if you're interested in prophetic words, I would like you to go ahead and subscribe to this channel so that you get updated on my videos. This is a prophetic word for you today, child of God. God say it is time to remove your enemies from you. Child of God, can you trust God? Can you trust that God can remove your enemies from you? He said he will remove them from you and he will give you peace and rest. Child of God, do you trust that God can remove your enemies from you? Can you accept this? If you believe this, tell God, pray and tell God to remove your enemies from you. He will do it for you because he said it is time to remove those enemies from you. So when you ask him to remove your enemies from you at this time, he will do it because it is time to do that. He said if you ask him to remove your enemies from you, he will do it for you this time because it is time for him to remove them from you. It is time for him to punish your enemies. Their cup is full. It is time to punish them for you. So I pray that as you pray for God to remove your enemies from you, your enemies will not have any reason, will not have any hold against you in the name of Jesus. The mercy of God will speak for you and the grace of God will speak for you. Bye-bye and stay blessed.